Hi people, I am Jasleen and you're watching German Nation. Welcome to the very first episode of A1 series. I will teach you all the grammar topics, phrases and vocabulary and more stuffs that are covered under A1. So without any delay, let's get started with the very first topic of A1. To do today is Begrüßung. Begrüßung means greetings. Greetings. So what are the things that you say to other person when you meet him for the very first time in German? Let's study that. So you could say Hallo. Hallo. Hallo is hello. Grüß dich. The second type of how you can say hello to somebody is Grüß dich. Grüß dich, literally if you take it, it would be like greet you. That basically means I offer my greetings to you. So Grüß dich. So the other one could be Hallo zusammen. Hallo zusammen. That basically means hello everybody. So you could add a name to it and say Hallo Maria, Hallo Petra. Or if you're talking formally with somebody, you could say Hallo, Frau oder Herr. Frau oder Herr is basically the salutations. Salutations in German, Frau is for feminine and Herr is for masculine. So Frau goes with Mrs. Sharma, Miss Sharma, and Herr is like Mr. Sharma. So hello Mr. Sharma would be Hallo Herr Sharma or Hallo Frau Sharma. Now after saying hello to a person, you would say how are they? No, you will ask how are you? So let's study now what are the ways in German how we can ask somebody how are you. So these are the ways how you could say how are you in German. Let's study that. Wie geht es? Wie geht es? Or the short form of geht es could be geht's. Wie geht's? So you could say wie geht es or you could say wie geht's. And these two things are formal and being informal. If you being formal with somebody, if you're talking to some elder people, so you would say, wie geht es Ihnen? And if you're being informal, you would say, wie geht es dir? So if you're talking to your friend, you could ask, wie geht es dir? And if you're asking your parents or some relatives or your elder people, you would say, wie geht es Ihnen? So there are four options how you could ask how are you in German. Wie geht's, wie geht es, wie geht es dir und wie geht es Ihnen. These are the four ways. However, wie geht's and wie geht es could be formal as well and informal as well. So now after asking a question, we should also know how to reply back to this question. So if somebody asks you, wie geht's, your answer would be, mir geht es gut or es geht mir gut. Mir geht es gut is I am good and es geht mir gut is also I am good. You can just swap the places of es and mir. You could just swap it up and say it anyways. Mir geht es gut oder es geht mir gut. Now if you ask somebody like, okay, yes, I am good, how are you? So you could reply back to this und. You could question it by saying und dir oder und ihnen. So just remember, dir is informal and ihnen is formal. After saying hello, you could also greet somebody by saying good morning or good evening, good day, good afternoon or good night. For that, the words are Guten Morgen is good morning. So, hallo, guten Morgen means hello, good morning. Or you could substitute it by saying Guten Tag, which means good day or good afternoon. You can say Guten Abend, which means good evening, and Gute Nacht, which means good night. Just to remember that while you say good night, there is only E at the end of gut. Otherwise, it is guten, en and en. You just have to remember this. So only good night has gute, e. Now we have already led our conversation and our conversation has come to an end and we wish to say bye. So what are the words for that? So we have these words for saying bye-bye in German. We could say tschüss, tschüss, or we could say ciao, ciao. Basically, ciao is a Spanish word which is also written as ciao, and I hope you will be knowing this word and it is very trending these days. So you could say tschüss or ciao. You could also say Wiedersehen or Auf Wiedersehen. What is the difference between ciao and tschüss and Wiedersehen and Auf Wiedersehen? These two are informal and these two are formal. So if you're saying goodbye to your friend, you could either say tschüss or you could say ciao. And if you're saying bye to your boss or to your teacher or something like that, you could say Wiedersehen or Auf Wiedersehen. Some additions to this could be bis bald or bis später. Bis bald is like see you soon and bis später is see you later. So bis bald or bis später, if you are meeting someone tomorrow, so you could say bis morgen. You could say this to your co-worker or your colleague to whom you know you will be meeting tomorrow. So you could say tschüss, bis morgen. So you could say bye until tomorrow, see you tomorrow. Or you could say bis zum nächsten Mal. Basically, this sentence is said to a person to whom we don't know when we will be meeting next time. So bis zum nächsten Mal means until next time. So bye until next time. Or you could also say bis, and if you're meeting somebody at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, or you will be meeting that person übermorgen. Übermorgen is day after tomorrow. Or you will be meeting like on next Sunday. So bis Sonntag, bis übermorgen, bis 7 Uhr. So like that. You could just change it as per your way. Hallo Frau Schmidt, hallo Petra. Wie geht es Ihnen? Mir geht es gut. Und Ihnen? Auch gut, auch gut. Danke. Okay, Frau Schmidt, auf Wiedersehen, bis morgen. Wiedersehen, bis morgen. Hallo Petra, wie geht es dir? Grüß dich, Maria. Es geht mir gut und dir? Auch gut, danke. Okay dann, bis morgen. Tschüss. Ja, tschüss. That's the end of the lecture. Now I hope you know how to greet somebody in German and reply back to the greetings in German. The question of the day is, how would you greet your elder brother? Will you say, wie geht es dir? Or will you say, wie geht es Ihnen? Comment down below and tell me. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal.